Indicator lights are the visual language of machines. But traditional green, amber, and red indicators are limited and can actually make it more difficult to interpret signals. What if indicators could be more flexible? What if you could choose distinct colors and settings that were easy to decode quickly and accurately? Give your machines a voice with programmable indication from Banner Engineering. With programmable indicators, you can mix and match color and motion to fit all of your indication requirements. Try a 50-50 rotate animation to indicate machine warm-up time, or try combining different options to indicate steps in an assembly process. Pro indicators can be programmed in-field to perform any role required. This allows you to replace many unique indicators with a few customizable models and streamlines your supply chain. The Pro Editor software from Banner makes it easy to create, save, and load predefined configurations onto your device. Choose colors and animations to match your process or branding, and preview settings on the device before deployment. When you need to update settings, simply reprogram the device. Clarify communication, simplify your supply chain, and customize to your needs with programmable RGB indicators from Banner. For more information, visit bannerengineering.com/RGB.